Beautiful day, today. I think everybody enjoyed it today. The beach was packed. So many people today on the beach in Lombard. No, Lombard. Hello everybody. Tonight we make spaghetti with clams. And I got a nice beautiful clams for Sandy Hook. And we need a flake of the pepper, white wine. I got the stem of the parsley. I want to put it together. This is for my garden. I got a garlic, parsley, and the spaghetti, and I can use the butter. And look how beautiful parsley and basil I got it for my garden. Okay. Now, for start, we got to start with the spaghetti. It take a little longer time. Okay, now maybe you got more people, and I want to say hello everybody. And tonight we make spaghetti with clam.
I said thank you, Carol, for stars.
And thank you so much, Carol, for the start. And before we start, we say salute and chin chin to everybody. Chin chin, salute. Okay. Now we start with the pasta. And before I put the pasta, I need the salt, the water, salt.
Thank you, Mike, and thank you, Bill.
Okay.
So thank you.
Thank you for the start, Mike, Bill, everybody. Okay. And now this is done, and let's put the pasta. Okay. All right, let's put the gas on this pot. I gotta use it for the clams. And we put oil.
And thank you, Leslie and Lisa.
Thank you, Leslie. Lisa.
How is everybody doing on this heat?
Okay. All right, and now we give a little turn for the pasta. All right. Okay, now I gotta bring over here, I got the garlic, the flaked pepper, and I want to use this stem for the parsley.
11 minutes, Bill. So thank you, Debbie.
Thank you very much, Debbie. And thank you, Bill, for the time, all right? Okay, we put a garlic.
Ooh, 93 degrees, Leslie, she said.
Yeah?
Really hot.
93?
Yeah. In hour it was like 90. Hot, very hot too.
Maybe over here was a 92 and a half. Okay, I'm gonna do the color of the garlic nice.
Debbie, you know what happened? Because they're not selling every place clams. I know a lot of people, they said they cannot find fresh clams.
The sentiment.
Thank you, Lori.
Thank you, everybody, Lori, everybody.
Lauren, she said, I wish you cook more often.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you so much.
So I cook too much, I gotta clean it too much too. Okay, look at the garlic now. Okay, now I go over here. Got a wine.
Thank you so much.
Like a
We will
pepper.
try.
The flake got the pepper.
Thank you, Nadine.
Salt, not too much salt.
Actually, this, can you say who sing this?
Huh?
Can you say who is singing?
It's a Beppe Cuomo. Beppe Cuomo. Okay, now we cover. All right. Okay, now, and this is the clams. I put a nice piece of butter. And we will cook it together. Nice.
It's 8 more minutes.
Okay, chin chin e salute everybody. Thank you for your support and thank you to look every Monday the video and thank you for the star. Chin chin e salute.
Mike is asking, do you clean the clams like mussels?
Well, at the mussels I no put salt, but the clams I leave soak the clams 1 hour with the salt or cold water.
And how many times you put in the water, cold water?
Well, I clean it before I put salt. I wash it about 4 or 5 times. I put salt. After when I wash it again, 3 more, 4 times more after the salt. And no find no sand at all, nothing.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for coming. Stop by, watching our video again.
Se ha bevuto un bicchiere di vino, Beppe Cuomo, e faceva un bicchiere di vino, cin cin e salute.
You need little white wine with this
Huh?
clams. I say you need little wine.
Yes, yes, I use wine for the clams. Okay, got everything, the pepper, everything.
Diana, she's asking, what are you making tonight?
Tonight we make spaghetti with clams.
Are they open up?
Huh?
Not yet.
No, not yet. Well, the pasta still, it's standing up.
Well, it's 6 more minutes.
6 more minutes. Okay, now today we was going to beach. A lot of people was over there. And the little kids, I don't believe it. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 months old. And the thing pushing the thing, he was going so fast to the kids over there. And a lot of police on the Broadwalk, he was. A lot of police, boys, and then it's all like this all the time. They go on the sand, on the beach, he stop, he check all the bag. You know, say everything okay. What?
Oh, Lisa, she made pappardelle with corn. Ah, good.
Oh, yeah. We gotta do it again with this dish. Yeah,
She said it was delicious.
yeah, the corn, it's really good.
Debbie, she said she has all small tomatoes. They label wrong on the package.
Oh,
So they have all small tomatoes. wanna
okay,
sh-
look at my tomato over here.
Look like little oranges.
Hey, I want to know, everybody, what is this?
Debbie, she said Long Branch Beach.
It's long orange. Look at the cucumber I got it.
Really funny shape.
But I got a nice one, look.
I know Jeremy changed the name of our long branch. It's so funny.
Sola, oh sole mia, stavron da te,
They open up already.
stavron da te.
Oh, she said it's tomatillo. Squash.
Tomatillo. Oh, I gotta knock this. Oh sole mia. I gotta take care of my stove on after I got extra water.
Billy say made stuffed tomatoes with sausage. It was good.
Okay, good, good.
I know this is like cucumber, but it's really funny shape. It come out one.
No, it's still at
3 more minutes.
Yeah, but I don't think it'll be ready.
No? Smells so good.
Tu sola, più belle me, oh sole mia, stan from da te, oh sole mia, stan from da. I don't know why I was a bit sing, you know. I was want to sing. E mi sing with a little wine. Cigina e saluto everybody.
No, it's a cucumber. It's really funny shape of cucumber.
Come on, Clams, come on, open up.
I see open some.
Look.
Maybe you should take out the open one already? No?
No, leave it. Okay, now, let me taste the
Billy
wine.
said 2 more minutes.
Two more minutes? Yeah, you're right. 2 more minutes. Fagiolo da benate, fagiolo da benate.
I know it's a really funny shape. This. I don't know, we didn't open yet. Maybe you got all seeds inside.
Okay, let me see how many water I got for the pasta. Because I need the water I got right over here before I drain the pasta.
No, I think it's enough. It's enough.
I think I got enough. Okay, this I need over here. Okay, I think that the pasta's been ready. Okay. Okay, I like the run of the little cold water.
Billy said the time is up.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bill.
Okay, let's drain the pasta. Okay.
Mikey said those clams are solo mio.
Huh?
Mikey said those clams are solo mio.
Oh, Zambia.
Al dente. Yeah.
Okay, now turn the gas off. We got the clams. The clams it's all open. Okay, and now we give little.
You need parsley. Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful. Smells so good. It's really light.
Saluta bene a te.
Yeah, he has Instagram page, yes. Oh, thank you so much. Look how beautiful clams. Wow. They're big.
And look how big this one.
I know, huge.
I
Huge.
like the basil.
Huge leaves of basil. Look how big one.
I like the basil. So good.
And we have mint for nice smelling in the kitchen.
Look how beautiful.
Yeah, really beautiful.
It's really good. Okay, thank you very much. To look at this video every week on Monday. And we say salute cin cin to everybody. And thank you for your support. And thank you for the star. Cin cin. Salute. The clams, it's delicious and no sand. I'm not tasting no sand at all. Cin cin. Salute.
Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow if you can.